Hey, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to control your walls with your hands. Pretty cool idea, I know. So let's get into it. So let's say I want to go forward. Let's say I want to stop that. Let's say I want to go backwards. Let's say I want to rotate, right? So pretty cool idea. It adds another layer of interaction for your users, and it's just a cool way to really spice up your projects. I'm doing this hackathon. So how do you actually do that? To be honest, it's really just one big JavaScript file calling different stuff. So the pipeline we basically use here is you have your webcam that basically takes raw footage of what you're doing with your hand, and then we pass that into the MediaPipe model, which is basically Google's pre-trained hand tracking model that breaks up your hand into different nodes. Once you have the nodes that your hands are broken up into, it's just a matter of geometry and math to figure out what means what, and those can be classified into gestures, which can mean, okay, I'm pointing up, do this and do that. And then from there, we can control camera movement and ultimately our world. So let's actually go into some of the code. I'm not going to go through everything. I'm just going to give the basic idea because I think it's important to know. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to load the MediaPipe model. From there, we're going to create the hand detector. And then you also have some other stuff with your webcam because you actually need to be able to see that. Um, and then here, this is actually what I want to point out. So for me, I had some basic stuff. Like I had basically go forward, go backwards, rotate, stop, right? But that's not what's limited to. It's really just limited to your imagination and your understanding of geometry and math, or maybe an AI's understanding of geometry and math, if I'm being honest. So if that's the case, you can really classify gestures into anything. It could be expand this world, change world, stuff along those lines. So here you can see different gestures mean different things, right? So if no fingers are pointed up, that means stop, right? So that's just really a matter of just simple nodes, geometry, math. So it's nothing too crazy. It's nothing no you can pick up during the hackathon. And then from here, since I just want to be able to see the skeletons on like my hand, what I mean by that is over here you can see what's going on. You can see that blue line on my hand. Since I want that, I just coded that up so you can see what's going on behind the scenes. But for your actual project, it doesn't have to be the case. It really depends on how you want the user to go about knowing what does what. But that's pretty much how you basically can use your hands to control your world, right? So it's really up to you how you go about this. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do. And again, I'm going to be providing the code in the link of this video or attached to this video.